TV. We are doing the remodel on the 100-year-old house that we talked about. One of the things that we're doing in here is we're ripping up this old linoleum, and you can see where this stuff was glued on. Some of this didn't come up like we'd hoped. We got a scraper to get a lot of this stuff up, but it was digging into some of the OSB here underneath. But one of the challenges we were trying to work with was finding a flooring that covered anomalies. So there's some anomalies in the floor in here, so without us having to resheet the entire floor, we decided we're going to try this stuff. So what we've done is we've gone with the Lifeproof product, Zero Worries. So it's a rigid core vinyl plank flooring that we're putting on, and it's got a rubberized backer that absorbs any of the anomalies on the floor. So one of the things that we decided to do over the linoleum was to try it out to see if it worked, and as you can see, it's working out perfectly. Everything is nice and smooth. The installation process is pretty simple, so if you follow the directions, it's pretty straightforward. These pieces just fall right in to each other. You just take them in at an angle, slide them in, and then let them fall down. And going one at a time has worked out pretty well for us. Now, one of the things that I will say is there's a couple things you'll need for the job, other than your hands, is a flooring mallet. It's got a couple different thicknesses or a couple different densities of rubberized mallet on the end. And then one of these little tapping blocks, which is super, super nice because you can tap in the ends like it talks about in the installation instructions to get it set first, and then tap on each of these ends to make sure that they lay nice and flat. So you can see what it looks like so far. We're in the middle of the process. We're going to be adding some trim around different places. This is going to be a little ballet room, so there'll be some mirrors and a little ballet bar here down the road. So we're in progress here, so stay tuned. Subscribe to Built Boys TV, and we'll see you soon.